Well, we have asked our people to be as normal as possible. The provincial capital, kami ang naging example. We simplified ourselves para masunod ng mga tao, para maging normal. I'm very happy to report to the people that I think Davao del Sur residents have accepted our faith, but at the same time, naghanda kami just in case another one will strike.
Ilang munisipyo na po ba merong relocation site na po?
Naghahanap pa kami. Of course, previously, before the earthquake, marami na kami relocation sites. Regular program namin yan eh. But ito, special ito. This is for earthquake victims.
So hindi pa tayo nagsisimula po sa rehabilitation?
Naghahanap pa kami ng lupa. Negotiation sa gobyerno takes a long time.
So kumusta po yung mga evacuees dati?
Well, as I said, they are, I think, many of them prepared not to go back to their homes. For those hindi nasira ang bahay. Marami na. Nag-improve ang attitude nila. You know, after so many months, almost 3 months, people get used to it. At the same time, we have become more knowledgeable about earthquakes and tremors and aftershocks, especially when coming to us, nag-lecture sa amin, si Dr. Renato Solidum. He gave us a lot of information about earthquakes and tremors and aftershocks, and even fault lines.
Enough na po ba yung 10 million po?
It's not enough. But it's good start. Malaking tulong yan. Mayroon kaming out of the contributions of so many people, they have around, I think, na A1 dyan, magamit din namin mga 6 or 5 million. Dagdag mo yan.